Imagine if minutes from now you could create your very own mobile apps for iOS and Android without ever having to write a single line of code, and even publish them to the iOS and Google Play app stores with one click, complete with descriptions, screenshots, and a listing that'll make people download, buy, and get you paid fast. It would enable you to tap into $700 billion mobile app industry to become the new Angry Birds for yourself, or sell apps to hungry local and online businesses who can't pay enough to get their hands on their own mobile apps. That's right, commercial licenses included. Look, mobile app development has quickly become a costly experience that's reserved for either gifted developers or Silicon Valley type businesses with very deep pockets. But why should they have all the fun? Today, we're changing all of that from the ground up by offering a cost-effective and lightning-fast solution to create your very own mobile apps on both iOS and Android with just a few clicks, zero coding, and zero headaches. It's so easy to use. Even a 5-year-old could start their own mobile app business with it. Introducing ProfitCodex. It's the only cloud-based mobile app creator that lets you design stunning, gorgeous mobile apps from scratch with our drag-and-drop editor, but without any coding, and get this, without any monthly fees either. Most importantly, it's the only one that lets you actually publish to the iOS and Google Play app stores, and builds actual real apps, not just progressive web apps that open up in Safari when you click them. Plus, you can use more than 30 done-for-you templates in any local or online niche to create the perfect mobile app in minutes, and sell them to businesses ready to pay you thousands for the privilege. It even comes with built-in traffic and SEO for the iOS and Android Play stores, so you rank high and get featured by Apple and Google. You can even legally hijack content with the new for 2024 App Wizard and create fresh apps for yourself. Yes, get this. You can now build apps even if you don't want to create any content yourself. Local businesses will fight one another to give you money. And don't worry, we're giving you step-by-step in-depth training anyway to help you get started, publishing your first apps for yourself and selling apps to others too. Plus, ProfitCodex is a breeze to use. All you have to do to get started is log into our web app and start customizing your dream mobile app. We even integrate with all major autoresponder, and you can send notifications straight to the phones or tablets of people who download your apps. Most people don't check their emails, but you can bet that people check their phones. Imagine if you could place an affiliate link or your own offer right on their home screen. How cool is that? Once you're happy with the app, publishing simply takes a click of your mouse. You can even create apps for others and then sell them, local or online. And all with no limitations, no monthly fees, no coding required, no headaches. Use it for yourself to create your dream mobile app, sell it or give it away to build a huge list, blast any affiliate links straight to their phones via notifications, run a professional business your competition simply won't be able to compete with, use it for your clients to create mobile apps for local businesses and get paid, charge other people by the hour to create their dream apps, sell packs of apps on places like Fiverr or Upwork, create apps for free, then charge a monthly maintenance and hosting fee, while ProfitCodex does all the work for you. The bottom line is this: you get all the benefits of mobile app creation without any of the restrictions or downsides. With ProfitCodex, you're in full control, and with built-in end-to-end SSL encryption, you're safe as well. Not to mention, we do all the SEO optimization for you, so your app will show up high in the App Store's search results. So, don't wait any longer, and click the buy button below to get access to ProfitCodex during the early bird launch that includes a massive $100 discount and lifetime access. We're excited to step into this new era of mobile app creation together. Welcome to ProfitCodex.